Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to remove frequently contacted from WhatsApp. Ever notice WhatsApp suggesting the same people over and over again and wonder if it's keeping a secret leaderboard of who you can talk to most? If you're trying to remove the frequently contacted suggestions, there isn't a dedicated button that clears only the list. Instead, the closest option is clearing your chat history. To do this, open WhatsApp and go to your profile or settings area, then head into chat section. Scroll down until you find the clear all chats option. Keep in mind that this is a major action. It removes your chat history and can delete media stored within conversations on your device, depending on your settings. WhatsApp will usually ask you to confirm the action and may require you to enter a phone number before proceeding. After the chats are cleared, the frequently suggested contact may gradually reset because WhatsApp no longer has the same conversation history to reference. Before doing this, I'd strongly recommend backing up any import chats or media you want to keep. Otherwise, you might solve one annoyance and accidentally delete conversations you wish you still had later. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.